Welcome back to Teach Me Money Methods. This is going to be a really fun video. I'm going to be showing you how I made $9,300 in 5 days with affiliate marketing. And I could add to that title by saying that this was all free traffic as well. So this should be very interesting to you. I'm just going to show you exactly the proof that this happened and how I did it and the main key points of why I think that this worked so well. Okay, so this is one of my best affiliate launches that I've ever had in such a short amount of time. And there was a lot of things that happened that needed to be put in place in order to actually make this kind of money from a very small audience as well, right? So let's jump in real quick. So I'm on my JV account right over here, JVZoo account, I should say. And I'll go up here to the refresh button. I'm just going to push that refresh button so you can actually see there's some earnings coming in right here. And the case study is actually from more than a week ago, right? So the numbers that you're seeing right here, these really big numbers, is actually not even the case study. I can actually do another case study and show you why I made so much money in the last about 4 days. But you can see right here, we've got 262 right there. Then it ramps up to 587 right there. Then it goes to $567. Then it goes to 601, very consistent. And then boom, had a really big day of 1,120. And this is just the last four or 5 days in my JVZoo account. But this isn't the actual days. It actually happened about a week and a half ago, up to almost 2 weeks ago. So we're going to come over here and we can actually look. I'll go over to affiliates. And for whatever reason, I'm sure if you're an affiliate of JVZoo, if you go to the affiliate quick stats, it doesn't actually update very well in this account like right here. So if I said this month right here, it's only going to tell me that I only made $1,400. And this could be a number of things. I'm not sure if it's because if there's a delay on the payment, right? It takes up to 14 days to actually approve the payment inside of JVZoo. It protects the vendor and protects the customer. So you do have to wait some time, and that's possibly what is going on right here. But to get a more accurate, statistic of what happened, you actually need to go over to the affiliate dashboard and click on that, right? And once you come in here, we're going to go over here and I'm just going to say this month, right? And right now we are in February. It's actually February 21st, 2023. I don't have that recording the bottom of my screen because it helps me to zoom in a little bit more on the focus of what we're actually doing. But it is February 21st, 2023 right now. And we're going to come through here and just look at this month. So, right, that's going to be showing this month in February of 2023. You can see some of the products that I've promoted this month. Usually it's software or training and so forth. But you can see that I've already, this video is not about the total amount that I've made, over $12,000, but it's really about how I was able to pull in over $9,000 in just 5 days from one product, right? And we're going to be looking at that, right? So when we look over here at this Insta Keywords, this is the product. There was about 4 different products that you could sell right here. And you can see that that's where the bulk of this, the earnings are coming from. I don't have a great way of pulling up those 3 days. JVZoo just doesn't do a really good job at letting me select just 3 days. I've tried all the different places over here to go to actually zoom in on just those 5 days. But you can see right here inside of JVZoo right here that there's over 10,000, about over $11,000 making with just the one product right here. And this is this month, and it was really only the span of a 2-week period. So what I actually did was you can go over to transactions, and then you can download an entire report of all of your transactions, and it will give us we'll be able to kind of zone in on the days that we're looking at a lot easier, right? But this is just to show you inside the account that it is accurate. Now we're going to come back through here and just look at this right here. So if I come up here, you'll see I cleaned this report up before, making the video, and you can see that this is Insta Keywords. I have a filter on here, so you can actually see that there's no other product in here. It's just Insta Keywords right here. It's a keyword research tool that, right now you won't be able to get this for a good deal right now. It's actually $468 per year now, and that's why this sold like hotcakes, is because there was a lot of value. This was a good product. And when you have a really good product, and you get it in front of the right audience, at the right time, really good things can happen. So this is just the one product right there and the upsells right here, the OTO1 and OTO2s basically. And so we can come through here and you can see all these commissions right here and so forth, right? And so when we come down here and we look at this right here, so we had a total commissions of $8,823, okay? And this was in a 5-day period. Let me go back up to the top just to show that that's what we're looking at right now. I go up to the filter right here, and you can see that we have February 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th, and 12th. That was the day of the launch. So it was a 5-day period, and it closed on the 12th, okay? So we're looking at that. And you can see $8,823 in just 5 days. And then I also got first place on the affiliate leadership board, or the leaderboard right here. And so I got paid an extra $500 on this launch. And then the total earned in 5 days with only free traffic and affiliate marketing, using affiliate marketing techniques, I was able to bring in $9,323 in just 5 days. So this is just to show you a case study and show you what's possible when you actually build a real business and a real audience online. I hope that this, I only show this for inspiration. For many of you are watching my videos. Yeah, I'm doing product reviews, and yes, you buy products from me, affiliate products and so forth. And really the intention behind those is go ahead and you can buy those products if it makes sense for something that you're either interested in or you want to pursue to start trying to make money online, right? But at some point, you do need to get out of what's called shiny object syndrome. Like, this was a software tool, so this actually is very useful to people that are running niche websites and building businesses, ranking websites. You need a good keyword research tool. So there's definitely investments that you need to make in your business. And I buy $1,000 courses all the time, right? I think I spent maybe $5,000 to $8,000 on courses last year as well. So there's definitely nothing wrong with buying these products, but at some point you got to decide what you want to do. Do you want to do YouTube? Do you want to do websites? Do you want to do social media? How are you going to get traffic to your business? And then you need to hone in on that, and you need to really increase your skill set, right? And improve on your craft, in this craft of affiliate marketing and getting traffic. If you don't want to deal with building a website, building a free audience, right? Because that will take months. Then you can do paid traffic. And as long as you're tracking everything and tracking your margins and your return on investment, and you can actually pull profitable campaigns, then paid would be a great way to get into affiliate marketing as well, as long as you know how to watch your numbers, right? And so really, it's really just to kind of let you guys know that this is what's possible with affiliate marketing. And then I wanted to end by kind of just going over some of the main things that I think worked to make this happen, right? And so we have the key steps to make this happen right here is what I'm going to go over. So the first one is that I built an audience that has KLT, and the KLT equals, and I learned this from one of the courses that I bought last year. I think I bought it for like $2,500, and one of the things that stuck out that I learned about was the KLT, knows, likes, and trusts, and that is 100% true with one of my other channels that I actually used. It was not on Teach Me Money Methods that I did this promotion on, right? Because I found a great product. We're going to move on to number 2. Well, I found a great product that is high quality and matched up with my audience's interests. You've got to find products that match up to the audience that you're promoting it to, and that's what will increase conversion rates on your promotion, right? And so that was really important as well. And then number 3, I purchased the product to do a proper review for my audience. And I say this all the time, if you're not willing to, the products, let me take a step back. The last few videos that I've done on this channel have been product reviews from Warrior Plus products or JVZoo products. But all those products, notice I showed you the back end of the product. I purchased those products. Sometimes I can get a free review access, but not all the time. And when I can't get the review access, which basically means I get free access to it to show it to you guys, if I can't get that free access, but I think the product is good and I want to still promote it and share it, I will go and buy the product. Sometimes it's $7, sometimes it's $20, right? And in some cases, it's even $67 or so, and I will even go and purchase it if I think that it's a good product and I want to bring it to your attention and let you guys see, some cool things that you can do with the software or the training. I will go out. I'm willing to go out and make that investment in my business and purchase the product, and then I will go and show it to people. Okay. So you have to be willing. If it's a product that you're not willing to purchase yourself, then why are you out going and promoting? And that's why you'll see a little bit different my reviews and so forth. I hope you keep coming back and watching my reviews, is because there's a lot of other people that do launch jacking on Warrior Plus and JVZoo, and they're doing 4 or 5 of them a day. They are not purchasing the product. They just get the demo video. They put together the same bonuses that they offer you, and then they show you the demo video that you can see on the sales page anyways. So they're not bringing any value to you. And that's why people that have over 20,000 subscribers on their YouTube channel, I beat them in the leaderboards time and time again, because I'm actually bringing value to the review videos that I'm doing. I'm showing you the actual product. And so I'm the reason why I bring all that up is because I want this to, hit home for you guys. There has to be a quality factor in what you're doing. If you're promoting a product, you've got to look at the product. You've got to open the product up, and you've got to give your 2 cents of it, and so forth, right? And believe it or not, a lot of these gurus that are teaching people to go out and do launch jacking and do product reviews and stuff, they just get it all wrong. They're not focused on teaching people value first. Build your audience with value. Teach them something of meaning and value before you just start going and throwing products at them. Buy, right? It can't always be like that. So yes, I'm going off on a little rant there, but I hope that kind of hits home for you, and some brutal honesty, if you will, right there. And then number 4, what did I do? I bought the product and I reviewed it, right? And so they got to see it. Yeah, that's really cool. And then what did I do? Number 4, I took it a step further and did product testing. So I actually bought the product. Then I'm like, okay, cool. I'm going to use this and see what kind of results I can get. And the product did test well, because I was able to find some keywords with that research tool that were like amazing. And I ranked within 16 hours in the top 10 on Google for my keyword. And so I shared this case study and showed follow-up results the next day. And it's okay to do that in your affiliate launches if you're doing YouTube, or if you have an email list, or there's all kinds of different ways you can do it, right? But to follow up and be like, hey, you guys, that tool I told you about? Well, I actually put it to the test, found some keywords, and then I ranked. Check this video out. It's super cool, right? And so I did that, and it even was that much more powerful. Okay. And then I finally come down to number 5. I did email my list about 5 times during the 5-day launch. So it wasn't like excessive. I didn't email 10, 15 times. And I see that all the time from some people that I'm subscribed to. I only email once, and sometimes maybe twice a day at the most, because I don't really believe in blasting emails like crazy at people. And so I didn't do too much, but I did utilize my email list to boost traffic to my videos. So I really use my my email list to kind of boost that traffic to get to the videos, because I really think that people need to watch the video to really kind of see that wow factor of the software. And then when they finally click over to the sales page to purchase, they already know they want the software, because they've already seen it in practice and they've already seen what results that they can get with it as well. So it really just kind of further pre-qualifies the sell or the buyer. And so that's kind of the strategy that I use. So this is how I did it, guys. Just wanted to share this with you guys, that you are able to do this in a 5-day period, closing in on 10K in 3 days, one of my biggest launches. And I went against some pretty heavy hitters that have way bigger audiences than me and have been doing this a lot longer. And I actually beat them and took first place with the affiliate contest, which is super fun and super cool. I think it's fun to have a lighthearted kind of affiliate competition, that it gets you kind of just motivated, and I think it makes it more interesting and more fun. But it was just a lot of fun. So hope that this video kind of just enlightens you, brings a little bit of value and some honesty on what this journey was like for me. I'm out there and I'm going to continue building my affiliate marketing business. So if this video brought you value, make sure to subscribe to Teach Me Money Methods, because you're going to get videos like this. You're going to get case studies. You're going to get honesty. You're going to get product reviews. I'll share products with you guys as well, and so forth. So thank you once again, and I'll see you in the next video.